I'm kind of notorious for wearing t-shirts all the time, but this is the most popular t-shirt that I have. It's the one everybody loves the most, and it's got my personal slogan on it, or at least half of it, which is I help people quit jobs. The whole thing is I help people quit jobs and become entrepreneurs. And that's something that I adopted early in my career to help kind of represent my life's mission. And that's what I've been pursuing ever since then. Because I really think that entrepreneurship is an incredibly empowering resource and tool to help people pursue their dreams. But early on, a good friend of mine, Ronnie Kahan, was the founder of another company called Indeed, which is one of the top job search engines on the internet. And as they were getting started, they decided on a very similar slogan that was, I help people get jobs. And they went to go run their first run of t-shirts, and they made a shirt that looked a lot like this. It was blue, and it said, I help people get jobs. And when they did that, Ronnie at the time knew of my slogan, and he made two very special versions of the Indeed shirt just for me that said, I help people quit jobs instead, and had the Capital Factory logo on the back. And they were just an instant success. They were such a big hit, and I wore them all the time. They were super popular. I actually wore them out and had to go make new ones of my own. And so now you may see, I have the only shirts that say, I help people quit jobs, but there's a lot of other shirts out there that say, I help people get jobs for Indeed. And since then, I've actually gotten the domain name. So now my email address is josh@quityourjob.com.